So I've let out a few birds. It's the borks. And fruit flies, like, look at him, he's trying to make friends with them. Trying to see what they are. He's wondering, why you pink? Oh, why you pink? And my canary's out as well. He saw him bathing in the dish up there. And he went over. I didn't get it on video. And my lovebird's out. So I wonder if he's going to go over to the bath and bathe with them. No, he's going into the cage. So he's out with a few of the birds. I just want to let a little bit out at a time. Oh yeah, my turquoise beans are out as well. And my Sierra. Actually, everybody's out except for the cockatiels. And the Java finches. Yeah, they're not out yet. There he goes. I think he's like excited with all the activity. And Thunder's still hanging around with him. If he's looking down. Maybe he'll bathe with the canary. Oh, he's going to share the bath. He really loves to bathe. Look at him. He goes right into the bath. And that's Jack that was beside him, not Thunder. Thunder's, yeah, over on the other side. It looks like my borks want to bathe as well, which is good because they really do. Look at him. Oh, there's 3 budgies now in the bath. Look at this. 3 budgies, a canary, 2 borks. All enjoying their bath time. That's so cute. Look at this. Sprinkles, what do you think of the new budgie? Did you even notice him? I don't know if you even noticed him. He's like, yeah, whatever, Mom. He's such a good boy. You're such a good lovebird, aren't you? Yes, you are. He's so pretty, too. Look at you. He's so cute. Still kissing Thunder. He's very active, this little guy. Hey, fruit fly. You're like all over the place. He's having a blast. Oh, he's going to eat some food now with the bork. Who's taking it back? Oh, look at Jack. Jack's like getting right into it. Hey, Jack Sparrow. You have a good bath. What are you doing, fruit fly? Look at all the munchkins going into my curtains. They all go under there and they go on top and yeah, make a mess. Here's little starburst. There's fruit fly. And Jack's still taking a bath. Oh, he's going to go join him now. Look at this. I thought maybe fruit fly and Jack would be friends. Because Jack doesn't really like hang around with anybody. He just hangs around with like all of them. He sure loves to take a bath. Look at this. I should have called you Fish. Yeah, change his name to Fish. Or a mermaid or something. Shark. Whale. Sailfin. Dolphin. He's so cute. There's Rascal eating the fresh foods. My borks love the sprouts. See, Thunder is Sprinkle, the lovebird here. His friend. So now Thunder has two friends. Look at this. He's going to feed the both of them. He probably has to choose between which one he likes more. The Budgie or the lovebird. I think Sprinkles will be happy that he stops chasing him everywhere, because I can tell Sprinkles sometimes gets annoyed because there he is. Like Thunder follows him everywhere, right? Yeah, and oh, where'd they go? My lovebird is the most gentlest lovebird ever. Are you a good boy? You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, he's so cute and cuddly. He loves that swing. He likes to sit there. Beauty! You're so beautiful. Look at you. Look at the colors on him. Isn't he gorgeous? Fruit fly has like landed on every perch. He's like all over the place. I think he's having like a blast in here. He's like, finally, freedom. Yeah, he was in that small cage for a while for quarantine. I'm gonna let out you guys. Come on, let's go. Monty, how about you? Now Monty is the boss of the bird room, so he's going to have to make sure that. Oh look, he's gonna. Oh look at this. Oh, Fruit Fly even goes next to Monty. You're brave. I think. Yes, he's a brave little Budgie. Because Monty is the boss, and he likes to check out all the newcomers. Monty, did you notice that he's a new Budgie? He's looking at him. I can't believe he landed beside him. That was funny. Bubbles? Come on, baby. Bubbles. Hey, oh, you're gone already. Yay. There you go, Bubbles. I didn't let out Summer yet. Summer, come on. She likes to come out on her own. Come on, girl. Do you want to come out, Nightshade? Oh, well, that was quick. How about you, Misty? Come on, you be nice to the new Budgie. Woohoo! All right, everybody's out. Fruit Fly's up there. He's looking at everybody. Monty's over there beside Willow, protecting her. Bubbles don't care. Bubbles is a sweetie pie. Aren't you, Bubbles? What are you doing? You eating the fall toy? Yeah. Yes, you can see that. Uh-huh. Oh, the Javas are out too. Oh, there's Fruit Fly. There, I think Fruit Fly's met everybody. He's just kind of looking at them all. He's not really doing anything. But I'm sure Fruit Fly is fitting in just perfectly. Look, he's into the dish again. He's into the fruit. Oh, he's gonna share with Bubbles. Good boy, Bubbles. Did you say hi to Fruit Fly? Look at Summer. Hello. Did you say hi to Fruit Fly? Hey, Glitter? Did you say hello? Huh? Come on, sweetie. Up. Up. Oh, so pretty. You're such a pretty, pretty girl. Summer. She bathes a lot also. She bathes like, well, I don't know, a few times a day. Like a Fruit Fly, she's looking at her. Or he's looking at her. Yeah, Fruit Fly's a male, looks like a male anyway.